Hello, my friends. Today I will show you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel in an easy and fast way. And at the end of the video, don't forget to join our family by subscribing to the channel. Thank you. We will apply this to this channel. First, we will go to the channel settings option. Then we click on the channel option, select advanced settings, scroll down, and choose remove YouTube content. Now, we will select both options to ensure that the entire channel and its content are permanently deleted. You will be asked to enter your email address for confirmation, and if you have more than one channel, you will be required to enter the channel name. Permanently deleting the channel will take a few minutes, and if the channel contains many videos, it may take up to 2 days. In the end, I hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.